In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the front sway bar links on this Hyundai Sonata. Let's get started. Use a 21mm socket, remove all 5 lug nuts, and then we can pull the wheel off. Just a little note, if yours has hubcaps, when you take the lug nuts off, the hubcap is going to want to come off, so take that off first, then the wheel. With the wheel off, we can see our sway bar link. The top mounting nut bolts to the strut fork, and then the bottom is right on the sway bar. Use a 17mm socket and try to remove this mounting nut. And the reason I say try is because a lot of times the stud will spin, but that's okay because we have a 17mm cutout for a wrench on the backside, so we can hold that stud while we remove the nut. Perfect. This is the cutout that I was talking about. You can see it has 2 flat spots. On the bottom, also a 17 and a 17. However, there is limited space here because of the control arm. So if you can fit a wrench in here, that's great. If not, you can use a pry bar, pry up on the sway bar. That's going to give you the space you need. And there's the sway bar link. Take the new sway bar link, slide it into position, put it through, and start on the mounting nut. This new mounting nut is going to be an 18mm, same with the cutout over here, so instead of 2 17mm tools, we're going to use 2 18s. Snug this up the best you can. It will not be possible to torque this one just because of its location. All right, that's nice and tight. Back at the top, put the sway bar link through here. Make sure you don't pinch that brake hose. Put the mounting nut back on and snug it up. The torque for these is 87 foot-pounds. Now do the same to the other side. I always recommend replacing sway bar links as a pair. Let's get the wheel back on. If your wheels had hubcaps, you're going to want to put them on now because the lug nuts go over and clamp everything together. Just make sure you line up the cutout for the valve stem with the valve stem, of course, otherwise it won't fit on properly. And now start in all 5 of your lug nuts. We'll bottom them out and torque them to 79 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to seat the wheel properly. Once again, 79 foot-pounds in a cross pattern. Double check them.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.